And when we go for Hajj, we say, Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Here we come, Allah, here we come. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. O Allah, to you there are no partners. Innal hamda, to you is all praise. Wa ni'mata laka wal mulk. To you belongs the dominions of the heavens and the earth. La sharika lak. You have no partners. And the cornerstone of Islam, faith, it is believing in one God. In order universal brotherhood should prevail, you have to worship only one God. If you worship only one God, then universal brotherhood would prevail. And all the major world religions, in the religious scriptures it is mentioned that you have to worship only one God. Religion, according to Oxford Dictionary, means a belief in a superhuman controlling power, a personal God or gods that deserve worship and obedience. In short, religion means belief in God. To understand the concept of God in any religion, we should not observe what the followers of that religion do. To understand the concept of God in any religion, we should try and understand what the scriptures have to speak about Almighty God. Therefore, the best and the most appropriate way of understanding the concept of God in any religion is to try and understand what the scriptures have to speak about Almighty God. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 64. Qul ya ahlal kitab. Say, O people of the book, ta'alaw ila kalimatin sawa'in baynana wa baynakum. Come to common terms as between us and you. Which is the first term? Allah na'budu illallah. That we worship none but one Almighty God. Wala nushrika bihi shay'a. That we associate no partners with Him. Wala yattakhza ba'duna ba'dan arbaban min dunillah. That we erect not among ourselves lords and patrons other than Allah. Fa'in tawallaw. If then they turn back. Faqulu shahadu. Say ye bear witness. Bi anna muslimun. That we are Muslims bowing our will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This verse of the glorious Quran, according to me, it is the master key for doing dawah. It shows us how to talk to different types of people of different religions. It says, Allah na'budu illallah, that we worship none but one Almighty God.